In this video, we are going to talk about the Snap Align tool that can be used to align objects to each other. So in this case, I'm just going to place objects on this cube that is rotated. So it's usually challenging to place any elements on this because of the angle it's at. But we can, let's say, create a sphere, and I have the wireframe on so that I can see the center of where the sphere is. And if I have these two objects that are not even next to each other, if I just leave the sphere at the center, I can go to Modify and Snap Together tool and click on that. And when I click on that, I get this little crosshair, and I want to snap this object to this object. So I'm going to I'm going to zoom in so I can kind of get to this vertex. This is what I want to snap to the other objects. When I do that, I get this little arrow. And once I get that, I can choose a location on this other object that I want to snap it to. So once I do that, you can see that the arrow is pointing this way. And if I click on enter, it is going to snap those two objects together. And you can also edit this. So this tool does have options, not too many options. You can move and rotate object, or you can just move the object without rotating them. So there are two options here. You can choose whichever one works. I would suggest moving and rotating so that it can rotate as it needs to when it needs to align. But this is how you would use that. Very straightforward. Once you use it, you have to click on the cursor or click on Q to exit the tool. But you can easily use this to align multiple objects very quickly to a surface.